This brand is from American Standard, which is a part of Trane Technologies, and the units are made in the USA through a joint venture, METUS, with Mitsubishi Electric. The units are only sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA. All of their units feature active carbon and antibacterial air filters for improved indoor air quality. They have coated coils for corrosion resistance, a durable powder-coated outdoor unit, and base pan heaters to prevent ice buildup in the units. The M4THS M15 are basic multi-zone heat pumps that can serve up to 5 indoor air handlers from a single outdoor unit, while the M4THS17 models are basic single-zone units. The M3mHW22 is a premium heat pump that uses 115-volt power, which allows more flexibility in installation, while the M4THS23 has a 23 SEER efficiency and uses 208/230-volt power. The brand is backed by a very good guarantee, but it does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.